Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my another new study vlog. So today I'm going to share another new video. So let's get started with this vlog. So here I was doing biology, and in biology I was doing life processes, and I'm currently realizing that when my science exam was there, I wasn't even done with the first chapter of biology, and this shows my preparation. And I was so ashamed of me that I didn't completed my syllabus, even though I promised myself that I will not procrastinate. But anyways, past is past, and we have to focus on our present, and that is also important. And here I was doing life processes. Transportation part was left, so I was doing that. And when I'm editing this video, my half yearly exams are still going on, but I have to be also consistent on YouTube, and my half yearly exams are not going well, and not doing the same mistakes in board exams. For that, Uswal has launched their new CBSE textbook plus book. This book will be a game changer for us because it has 50% competency based question which is aligned with NCF, and only some days are left for our board exam, like some months, and we have to prepare for that, and we need right guidance and proper study material, and Oswald books are best for that, and especially this book called as the CBSE textbook plus book, which has competency based question to solve the question which will help us in our pre-boards also. And when we open this book, we also get a strategy for scoring 95% in board exams, and which helped me so much. And this book also provides trend analysis and solutions on OSWAL 360-degree, and here advanced competency focused questions are also there, and core subjective questions like the MCQs, very short answers, assertion and reasoning, case-based questions are also included, and chapter rewind is also there, and mind map for our quick revision. And it has featuring key points, mnemonics and mind maps, and it has previous year questions and board exam question from 2022 to 25, and your competency focused question emphasis HOTS as per NCF 2023, and addressing 50% weightage in CBSE, and concept clarity through exposure to both theory as well as questions which help us in building our concept clarity. And here 100% exam readiness with chapter wise trend analysis is also given with 50% competency based question aligned with the NCF. And this book comes for two subjects, both mathematics standard and science. And in this book we will also get the question divided in various types, like 1 mark question, 2 marks question, 3 marks, 4 marks and 5 marks question. Everything we will get in this book. And the best thing I liked about this book, like below every question concept to be applied is given. So what are you waiting for? Order these books now. The link is in the description box below. And it was the first day of Navratri, so I was going to temple to seek blessings from God and praying. Like every year we are going to the temple, and it was half an hour far from our home, and I felt literally good. Like my English exam was the next after that, but still I went there because it was the first day of Navratri, and I was feeling so good after going there. And then after that I came home, and around in the evening I started with English. And English, I was reading summary, and this time also I have literally messed up in English. Like my exams are not going that well, but okay, my exams are going like the okayish. But in English I messed up in grammar part this time, and especially I think my teachers will cut my marks in literature. And like the first flight book is so boring, and I was so tired to read that book, so I was just reading that summary. But in the footprints book, only the thief stories are given, and I am liking it so much. And what's your opinion about this? Please tell me in the comment section below. And have your half yearly exams gone well or not? Please let me know in the comment section below. Then after that it's the next day, and here I've started with electricity. Like I gave my exam, then after that I took a nap and started with electricity, because 2 days gap was there for my next exam, and in 2 days I was not going to read that subject the whole day, because obviously I will get bored, and I can't keep my syllabus like this, like untouched. So that's why I have to go with the science also, and this chapter is little bit hard, so I have to cope up with it. And this chapter I was doing from Rakshak sir. Like in my coaching we did little bit, but concept clarity was not there, so that's why I thought to watch Rakshak sir's lecture, and it was okay. I think that this lesson is only little bit tough, so I have to revise it thoroughly, then I will get whatever is there. Then after that it was Durga Puja, so we went to Pandal for hopping, and this was the Pandal where I went to, and the goddesses was so beautiful, like it was looking so pretty. And here I was doing polynomials the next day, because the day after my exam was there of mathematics, and in maths exam also I haven't performed well, but I think so some setbacks are there where I have to improve, like in some particular areas, so that's why it may be happening, but still I will try to improve. And only my 2 exams are left, one is SST and Hindi, and I have to perform well in that also. And that's all for my today's vlog. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next vlog. Bye.